Hello friends, let us see today the important rural development program. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. Today we will study this program in detail. National Rural Employment Guarantee Act was passed in the year 2005. Under this scheme, 100 days of wage employment in a financial year is guaranteed to the rural household who are willing to do unskilled manual work. Initially, under this act, 200 districts were covered in its first phase. But since from the 1st April 2008, after seeing the success of this program, all the districts in the countries were covered. And on 2nd October 2009, NREGA was renamed as Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. Now we'll see the implementation of Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act in detail. This Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme is implemented by state government with the funding from the central government. The main authorities in this implementation involved are Panchayat Raj institutions, where the panchayats at the district level, block level and village level acts as a executing body here. The block level is the basic unit of implementation, or the block is the basic unit of implementation. Hence the program officer essentially acts as a coordinator for REGS at the block level. It is the duty of the program officer to sanction the projects for the Gram Panchayat so that they can execute those projects at the grassroots level, at the village level, to provide employment to the unemployed persons or unskilled households. In this, the 100% of wages for unskilled manual work are done from the central government fundings. Then the 75% of the material cost of the project is also given by the central government, while the 25% of material cost is borne by the state government, and 100% of unemployment allowance is also given by state government. Here the unemployment allowance is given if PRI, that is the Panchayat Raj institutes or the state government, are not able to provide the employment or the work within 15 days of the registration of unemployment by an individual or unskilled personnel at the office. Now we'll see the salient features of Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. NREGA is an act which provides the legal guarantee of employment to the households. Then the unemployment allowance up to the 100 days in a financial year is provided if the state government or the Panchayat Raj institutes, they fail to provide the employment to the registered unemployment personnel within the 15 days of their registration. And the important role or the principal role of Panchayat Raj institutes played during this scheme is planning of the program, monitoring and evaluation and implementation of the program. That the agencies which are working or executing the project at the grassroots level has to plan the work they are undertaking, that is, what things should be done by whom, what type of a role these unskilled employees have to perform. All these things are the distribution of work is done by them. Then monitoring that how the work is carried out, whether they are going in a proper direction or not. To keep watch on whole work is also the duty of these Panchayat Raj institutes. The evaluation of the project at the end of the project, the evaluation of project is also done at the Panchayat Raj institutions. Hence the overall implementation of this scheme is done by the Panchayat Raj institutes. They play very important role in the success of this NREGA scheme. The drinking water, first aid and shed facilities should be provided at the work sites for these people. Then at least 1/3 of the beneficiaries should be women members. Equal wages should be provided to both men and women, and it's important to maintain the transparency and accountability during this program or implementation of the program. Here, the transparency or accountability is maintained by proactive disclosures through social audits or grievance redress mechanisms. To state simply, it means that the transparency of the work should be maintained. The people should know during the Gram Sabhas, during the social audits, that how much fund does this Narega schemes get, what work is carried out for the welfare of the village under this program, and how much expenses are done or how much money is spent on what work. The officials of this program, which are working at the grassroots level, are accountable to explain all these things to the public. Accountability means to take the responsibility or the duty of their duties or the work provided to them. So here the individuals who are implementing this program, that is the officials at the Gram Panchayat level, are accountable for their work. They have to provide the social audits, the proper social audits during the Gram Sabhas. Then there is also the grievance redressal system, that if any kind of problem they find, there is the mechanism in which they can address their problems and that can be solved. So to maintain the transparency and accountability in the work, good measures are taken in the Narega scheme. Those who have registered their unemployment at the Gram Panchayat office gets the job card from the Gram Panchayat after the due verification. Then registrations are open for this throughout the year, and it's mandatory to give employment between the 5 kilometers of the applicant's residence. But if the employment provided is beyond the 5 kilometer, then some amount of extra allowance is provided to those employees or those personnel as a traveling allowance. And in this scheme, no contractors are allowed to work under the program. As block is the basic unit of implementation of Narega, the 50% of its work is allotted to the Gram Panchayat for execution at the grassroots level. And the predominantly works carried out under this program are water and soil conservation programs, forestation programs, horticultural plantation and land development works, etc. Now we'll revise the important points under this program, that Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Program was started in the year 2005 and it was renamed in the year 2009. Then the actual funding of the program, the maximum funding is done by the central government, and its the role played by the state government is to implement the program. The block level is the basic unit of implementation amongst the PRI, Panchayat Raj institutes, and the actual execution of the program is done by the block level as well as the Gram Panchayats at the grassroots level. The personnel or who have registered their unemployment at the office, if the government fails to provide employment within the 15 days of their registration, are provided with the unemployment allowance, which is funded by the state government. In this program, it's mandatory to provide 100 days of employment to the unemployed personnels or the unskilled households. So this is very important program which helps or which is very helpful in elimination or elevation of the poverty in our India. So the important question usually asked on this topic is that enlist different rural development programs launched by Government of India and explain any two in detail. In this you have to write down all these 9 programs, enlist them and explain any two of them in detail. Well, this was all about the important rural development program, that is Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. In the next class we'll see one more important rural development program. To know more about fundamentals of agricultural extension education, please subscribe my channel Learn Agricultural Extension Education. Thank you. Have a nice day.